Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Shreyashi and I am a software engineer by profession and I like to make videos on travel, skincare, lifestyle and food. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all the self-care rituals that I do on a weekly basis, basically on Sundays or Saturdays as and when time permits. Mostly this happens on a Sunday. So this is because I want to reset for the week ahead and I want to gain all the power and energy that I want to gain for the week starting coming. And it's mostly on Sundays because then Monday again the routine follows up. So I need to reset, and that's why I do the things that I do. And there are certain things that I don't do which I do on a weekly basis, like on a daily basis. So let's get started with my weekend self-care rituals. So the first thing that I do is I meditate for a longer duration. Why do I do that? Because on weekends I get more time to be able to meditate for longer, and I am not in a rush. I don't have to go anywhere. I am not like I'm getting late for workout or I'm getting late for office. No, nothing of that sort is happening. So that is why I can meditate longer, and I go ahead and do my regular guided meditation, and then I also go ahead and do my pranayams. And before I do my pranayams, I also do like some heart opening exercises, yoga poses, so that my lungs are ready to receive the oxygen that they are going to receive, and they can pump more oxygen. So that's why I do like the pranayams, and I do affirmations. So I really enjoy this complete process, and yeah, that's how I start my Sunday mornings, because I have more time to be in peace, to be in solitude on a Sunday morning or a Saturday morning. Next thing I don't do is I don't exercise. I don't exercise on weekends. I give 5 days for my workout. I give 2 days to myself for rest. Sometimes I do go for a run or a swim or a walk on a weekend, but not more than that. I like to be in a active resting phase. So I can do some stretching, I can do some light poses here and there, but no rigorous exercise. And the third thing is I really enjoy journaling. I cannot tell you, I cannot just focus on the benefits journaling has given to me. I love journaling. And again, as I said, on weekends I have like more time to myself. I am not in a rush and in a hurry. I can do what I want to do on a weekend for a longer duration. So I journal for a longer duration. I sit down with my journaling notebook. I've already shown it in this previous video. So I sit down with my journals, both the journals, gratitude and the regular journal, and I write down a lot. Maybe I can try to contemplate over the week what has happened good. I also see where I can improve. So yeah, I really journal. And the fourth thing I think is something that I love to do. I really enjoy doing it basically. It calms me down. It's kind of a therapy for me, and that is cleaning and reorganizing. I love to organize stuff. I love to clean the house. I really enjoy doing that. Although I do have house helps who come regularly on a day-to-day basis for cleaning the house. But cleaning on my own, organizing my areas where I stay, organizing my house, deep cleaning my house, like things like the ceilings and everything, it just kind of gives me another level of excitement, we can say, and it gives me another level of joy basically. So I love cleaning and organizing things. And the next self, I think it's the fifth one, it's oiling, hair oiling and massaging. Yeah, I've already shared why I oil my hair in my hair secrets video, and I'd like to do that on a weekend. Keep it on for a few, maybe 2 to 3 hours, and then wash it off. And along with oiling my hair, I also massage my head to increase the blood circulation, and it feels so good. It feels really good. It feels as if some weight has lifted off my head, and it's good for my hair also. It's good for me also mentally, and it's good for my body also. So I do that for my hair, and The second thing is I also massage my hair. I've already shared how I massage my face in this video, but I also massage my face and my body. It's called Abhyanga. So I take oil and then I just run it, massage it in long strokes, and all the strokes are going upwards, basically towards the heart. That's what Abhyanga says. That's how you are supposed to do it. That all the strokes are going when you're massaging the stroke. So that's also really good for your heart health, good for your body, and actually good for your skin as well. The sixth thing is I go out for a walk or a run on the weekend, especially like a trek, small trek, or somewhere out in the nature, because on a regular basis we live in cities and we're not, especially in India, we can't really go out and be like, oh, I'm out in the nature, because there are so many buildings around. There is there are there are hardly like trails in the backside of your house where you can go out and walk and be in nature. So you have to go a little farther away, like maybe to a park or maybe to like a small forest reserve area around your city, or maybe like a small hike over a mountain. So that's what I try to do over the weekends, because it firstly gets me enough vitamin D, more time around the nature. When you're around the natural elements, your serotonin levels really do increase. You have the sun, you have the earth, you have the plants, trees around you, you have fresh air around you. Um, and there's been a study where they say that if you see like a running or flowing water body every day, it just improves your cognitive ability and also increases a lot of serotonin. So if possible, if that is something which is possible for you, please go out on the weekends around like a flowing water body. It really calms you down. The next thing that I do is scrubbing. I like to scrub my body twice a week, sometimes thrice a week, depending upon how my skin is feeling. Especially on weekends, I do that. I will do it midweek also, but on weekends, definitely it has to be there, scrubbing my whole body with a gentle scrub. I use a physical scrub. The one I'm currently using is from Dove. It's this one. It's their colloidal oatmeal and calendula oil. So Dove comes with these scrubs having a rating. This is the mildest. If it has two dots, then a little, you know, a little harsher, and three is the harshest of all. So I'm using the mild one because I don't really like harsh physical scrubs. And it actually, you know what? It actually smells like oatmeal. It's like, it feels like, are you eating oatmeal? Are you applying it on your body? What is just happening? So I have a lot of left. You don't really need a lot, but it makes your skin super soft. So I really, really highly recommend that you should scrub your body twice a week and on a Sunday, because it gives me like I've slathered my body in oils, and then I'll go ahead and wash it off with a body wash, like a good smelling body wash. And then I will go on and top it off with a scrub my whole body, and then I'll apply loads of moisturizer. So I think that the whole process in itself is so calming, and it's like a bath time ritual that I have for my hair, for my body. So I really enjoy it. And not keeping the count, I think maybe seventh or eighth. Um, the next thing that I really like to do, especially on a weekend morning, is like I like to go out and have go to a really nice cafe, have some good coffee. I'm not a coffee person. I'm not a tea person. On a regular basis, I don't drink tea or coffee or anything. I don't drink anything in the morning. So I go out. I have some good coffee, some good breakfast, sit in the cute cafe. So I really enjoy that. Some little things that I like to do for myself, taking myself out on a coffee. Last thing that I do before the week's madness begins is meal planning. So by meal planning, again, I have house help for cooking as well, and I'm really extremely grateful for that I can afford it. Um, but then again, even if you have house help, you need to decide what is going to get cooked for the entire week ahead. And for meal planning, what I do is I decide what's going to be cooked the entire week, and I have this stick. I stick it on my refrigerator, and that really. So, for example, I have this meal planning sheet. Um, it says today's special meal planner. So it has all these days. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. What is going to be cooked in breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner. So on a Sunday, what I'll do is I'll write down everything. What I can think of, what can be cooked, depending upon what I have in my groceries. And if I don't have, so I'll utilize those things, all the vegetables that I have in my refrigerator, and the fruits, and the pulses, and everything that I have in stock. And the things that are missing in my grocery, I will make a list and make sure that I get that on the weekend itself and stock up my refrigerator. For example, on Mondays in breakfast, I want poha with veggies, and in lunch maybe there is some dal, and then there's some veggie sabzi, and then there's chapati, and then there's some salad. So I'll write that down. For snacks, maybe I want to eat, I get hungry at 4 p.m, around 4 p.m, 3:30, maybe I'll write down like a makhana I can eat, or a fruit I can eat. But that really helps me, like, write down all the things that I'm going to eat over the week and put it in the meal planner, so that I don't have to make that decision anymore over the week. You take this sheet out, and there are sticking magnets on my refrigerator, and I stick it in. And whenever my house help comes, I just read it from the meal planner and I tell her this is what has to be made, and then she cooks it for us. So yeah, that really makes my life easy. Less decisions to make. These are the things that I like to do on a weekend, and these are my weekend reset routine, ready for the week ahead and ready to take on bigger things in life, bigger tasks in life. So yeah, that's it. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm really, really thankful for all of you. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And also comment if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help like always. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.